Hello friends, welcome to the Pariksha Vatika. Those who are visiting this channel for the first time, please subscribe and share the video on any WhatsApp group or Telegram channel. In today's session, we will discuss 100 important questions of English related to BPSC TRE for exam class 6 to 8 middle school. I hope you like this session. So watch the video till end. Let's get started. The first question is India's first Prime Minister was. The right answer is option B. Option B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is the right answer. Yes, friends, India's first Prime Minister was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. Select the option chat can be used as one word substitute for the given group of words. The given group of words is feeling or showing extreme tiredness. The right answer is option C. Weary. Weary. Option C, right answer. In the Hindi, weary means थका हुआ. Next question. Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word delay. Delay. Antonyms. Right answer is option C. Advance. Advance. Delay means देर करना and antonym is advance, that means आगे. Okay. Next question. Comprehension. 4 to 8 questions. For 4 to 8 questions. In the following pages, some words have been deleted. Fill in the blanks with the help of the alternative givens. Select the most appropriate option for each blanks. Passage. Please read carefully passage. Delhi recorded a spell of light rain. First blanks. First blanks answer. Question number 4. Select the most appropriate option to fill in blank number 1. The right answer is option B, on. Here is on. Friday evening with humidity levels remaining on the higher side throughout. Second question. We should go for question number 5. Select the most appropriate options to fill in the blank number 2. The right answer is option B, D. The IMD has forecast moderate rain on Saturday, but some areas. Question number 3. We should go to question number 6 to fill in the blanks. Select the most appropriate options. Fill in the blank number 3. The right answer is option C, are expected. Fill here. What are expected? Okay. To get heavy rain, an official also said that the next 7 days are. Fill in the blanks. Number 4. Go to question number 7. Select the most appropriate options to fill in blank number 4. The right answer is option A. What? Option A, likely. Next question is select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank number 5. The right answer is option A, low lying. Option A. The only child of grandfather is what called? If the only child of grandfather is, that's your father. Option A is right answer. Next question. Select the most appropriate synonyms of the given word. The given word is triumph. Triumph. That means in Hindi, jeet. What? Jeet. Win. The synonyms is victory. Option number 2. That is related to jeet. Win. Won. Triumphs. More synonyms. Conquest. What? Conquest. And I also said win. Next question. Which is not a stationary items? Right answer is option B. Option B. Bicycle is not a stationary item because book, notepad, or if given in option pen, pencil, these are a stationary item, but bicycle is not a stationary item. Option B is the right answer. Next question. Select the option that can be used as a one-word substitute for the given group of word. The group is a remark that expresses approval or admiration. The right answer is option A. Compliment. Compliment. A remark that expresses approval or admiration. Compliment. That means in Hindi अभिनंदन, शुभ कामना और स्तुतिवाद. Next question. How many days are in a week? You know that 7 days. Option B. 7 days. Sunday to Saturday. Count these days. 7 days. Next question is directions. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words from the given options. Benny had finished cooking when the visitors dash. The right answer is option C. Entered. Entered is right answer. Next question. Choose the correct spelling. What? Choose the correct spelling. From here, necessary, necessary. What is the correct spelled? Option A. Option A is the right answer. Necessary, necessary. That means in Hindi, आवश्यक. Okay. Next question. Select the synonyms of the given word. The word is vain. What? Word vain means in Hindi व्यर्थ, बेकार. The means of vain. The synonyms is option C. Useless. That also means व्यर्थ, बेकार. Okay. Futile is also synonyms of vain. Remember this, futile. Next question, fill in the blanks. The money was divided dash my 4 sons. The correct answer is option B. Among. What? Among. Next question. The sun rise early in the what? The right answer is option B. The sun rises early in the summer. Option B is the right answer. Form the meaningful word of adding the suffix hood dash hood. Here we fill suffix from here. Option C is the right answer. Child. What? Child. Childhood. That means in Hindi bachpana. Next question, comprehension 4 to 8. In the following pages, some words have been deleted. Fill in the blanks with the help of the alternatives given. Select the most appropriate option for each blank. This is the passage. Read carefully or take a screenshot of this passage. The first question from this passage. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank number 1. Option B is the right answer. Option B, off. I studied at the JJ School of Art in Mumbai, India's premier institute of art and design after 2 years, New York. Option C is the right answer of question number 5. Moved to next question. Same here. Appropriate option to fill in the blank number 3. The right answer is option B. Found. Next question. Very easy. Mother's sister is. The right answer is option D. Not easy. Mausi, aunt, sister-in-law. All of these ho. More than one of the above is the right answer. Option D. Mausi, aunt, sister-in-law are called mother sister in English. Select the most appropriate synonyms of the given word interfere. The right answer is option B. Obstruct. Obstruct is the right answer. Appropriate synonyms. Appropriate means interfere means हस्तक्षेप करना इन हिंदी. Embed means also बाधा डालना या रोकना. This is the also synonyms. Option B is the right answer. Interfere, obstruct. Next question, select the most appropriate antonym. Option A is the right answer. Option A, solid. Solid is the right answer. Hollow means in Hindi खोखला. Solid means कठोर, ठोस. Next question, select the most appropriate meaning to the given idiom. Idiom is the lion's share. The right answer is option B. Option B, the largest portion. The lion's shares idioms means बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा. The largest portion. What? The largest portion. Next question, which of the following is not a part of drawing room? Right answer is option number D. More one of the above. Drawing room's part, washing machine, chimney is not. So option D is right answer. Husband's brother is. Question number 6. Husband's brother is. That's Devar, brother-in-law. Option C is the right answer. Select the correctly spelled word. Option number B. Assembly is correct spelled. Next question. Fill in the blanks. This is dash umbrella. The right answer is option D. An umbrella, because umbrella started vowel in English or and Hindi consonant also. Next question. In the following pages, some words have been deleted. Fill in the blanks with the help of the alternatives given. Select the most appropriate option for each blanks. Take a screenshot of these pages and go to questions for answering. Okay, friends, have you taken a screenshot these pages? Now take them. Okay. Question is the select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. Firstly, I want to read these pages for answering. Do you know that you dash about one third of your life sleeping? However, your body doesn't. Does the sleeping time, it has a lot to do. You are sleeping, the body produces energy at night. You have plenty of energy the next morning. Hormones, which are growth chemicals, help the body to repair itself and grow. Go to questions. First, in the first blank, what answer? Spend. Option C is the right answer. In blank number, first spend. In blank number second, go to questions. Select the most appropriate options to fill in the blanks. Option B is the right answer. Waste. Waste. You have taken a screenshot. Select the most appropriate options to fill in blank number 3. The right answer is option C. When. When. Select the most appropriate options to fill in the blank number 4. The right answer is option B. So that. So that. That means in Hindi, taki. Now we should in English conversation that helps you solve the question. Some students chatting with me. Sir, please speak Hindi and English both. Okay, okay. Next question. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank number 5. The right answer is a special. A special. ग्रोथ केमिकल को बढ़ाने वाला हार्मोन्स जो होता है ना साथियों, वो स्पेशल होता है. ऑप्शन नंबर 5 here. Fill a special. Done. Next question. Identify the segment in the sentence which contains of grammatical error. The little baby cried loudly to a new toy. The right answer is option B. To a. To a. To a is grammatically error. नए खिलौना के लिए रोया तो for a new toy. Here not to a, for a new toy. The little baby cried for a new toy. Is the right spelled? Grammatical error is not. Select the most appropriate word to fill in the blank. The right answer is option B. Boast. Option B. Boast. boast of. Okay. Next question. Select the most appropriate one word substitution OWS for the given group of words. A person who speaks two languages. That calls bilingual or multilingual. No. Bilingual is the right answer. दो भाषाओं बोलने वाले को bilingual कहा जाता है. दो से अधिक अगर बोलता है बहुभाषी उसको multilingual बोला जाएगा. अगर if द्विपक्षीय वार्ता होगा तो उसको बायलेटरल कहा जाएगा. ठीक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Select the option that can be used as a one word substitute for the given words of group of words is a place where pigs are kept. The right answer is option C. STY. A place where pigs are kept, that's called a stay. स्टे को हिंदी में कहा जाता है सुअर बारा. ठीक. अगर कुत्ता का घर हो तो उसको क्या कहा जाएगा? कैनल. अगर घोड़ा का हो या गाय का हो उसको क्या कहा जाएगा? स्टेबल. ओके. समझ गए आप लोग? अगला प्रश्न देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Form a word adding ans as suffix x. Given following word: occurrence, acceptance, or emergence. The right answer is option B. Acceptance is the right answer. Here we fill accept. Option B. Next question. Fill out the correctly spelled word for the given options. The right answer is option A. Embarrassment. EMBARRASSMENT is the correctly spelled word. Next question. You need to the seminar. You need to dash the seminar. Okay, this is the right question. Right answer is option C. Option C. Attend. Attend is the right answer. Next question. A cupboard does not contain. The right answer is button. Button is the not content. Next question. The feminine gender of prince is. The right answer is option C. Princess. स्त्रीलिंग पूछा जा रहा है. Princess. Okay. Next question. Which direction is opposite to west? The right answer is option A. East. The direction are 10, but here we discuss 4. North, south, east, west. The opposite of west is east. Right answer. Next question. Select the incorrectly spelled here given word. The right answer is option B. Next question. Directions 1 to 5. Read the given passage and answer the questions that follow. The passage is in your screen. Take a screenshot. This is the passage. The common sunflower is valuable from an economic as well as from an ornamental point of view. The leaves are used as fodder The flowers yield a yellow dye and the seeds contain oil and are used for food. The sweet yellow oil obtained by compression of seeds is considered equal to olive or almond oil for table use. Sunflower oil cake is used for stock and poultry feeding. The oil is also used as soap and paints and as a lubricant. The seeds may be eaten dried, roasted, or ground into nut batter and are common in bird seed mixes. This is the passage. Go to questions. First question is identify the main theme of the passage. First option is a sunflower leaves, flower, and seeds have varied economic and ornamental uses. I think this is the right answer. Option A. This is the main theme. Which of the following facts is mentioned in given phases? The right answer is option C. The sunflower leaves, flowers, and seeds have many uses. This is mentioned in phases. Here you can see. Next question. Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word ornamental. Ornamental. Ornamental means in Hindi सजावटी. विपरीत पूछा जा रहा है. Antonyms word. The right answer is option C. Unembellished. That means in Hindi अनअलंकृत. Unalankrit in Hindi. Next question. Identify the turn of the pages. The right answer is option A. Descripted. The turn of passage is descripted. That means वर्णनात्मक. Next question. Select the suitable title for the pages. Right answer is option A. The uses of the sunflower. Next question. Select the most appropriate word to fill in the blank. Question is, dash you please help me with my computer. The right answer is option C. Could you please help me with my computer? Next question. Identify the segment in the sentence which contains a grammatical error. The right answer is firstly sentence, read carefully. Are these library books there? The there is grammatically error. ऑप्शन ए. वाक्य में देयर का जो प्रयोग है वो गलत तरीके से दिया गया. अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ पोसेसिव एडजेक्टिव के बाद नाउन आना चाहिए. व्हाट? नाउन. लेकिन वाक्य में ऐसा नहीं है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सेलेक्ट द वर्ड विच मीन्स द सेम एज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड गिवन. Right answer is option B. Accord. Accord is the right answer. That means सहमत. B. Harmonious or consistent. Next question. The adjective of permission is. The adjective of permission is. The right answer is option A. Permissible. Permissible is right answer. Next question. Which word is similar in meaning of the word abandon? Abandon. That is quit. Quit is the right answer. In cold blood, idiom means. Right answer is option B. डेलिबरेटली। कोल्ड ब्लड, इन कोल्ड ब्लड का मीन्स होता है नम्रता पूर्वक या जानबूझकर। नम्रता पूर्वक या जानबूझकर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मदर सिस्टर इज माय व्हाट? आंसर इन कमेंट, गिव योर आंसर इन कमेंट। मदर सिस्टर इज माय maternal aunt, ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर। फ्रेंड्स, आपका कमेंट्स नहीं आ रहा। डॉटर्स डॉटर इज, डॉटर्स डॉटर इज, राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, ग्रैंड डॉटर, ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी डेज इन ए मंथ ऑफ फरवरी? 28 और 29। इन लीप ईयर 29 days, non leap year 28 days. Idiom by fits and at starts means, by fits at start in हिंदी अनियमित रूप से, अनियमित रूप से। अब बताइए राइट आंसर। ऑप्शन सी, irregularly, ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर, दैट मीन्स अनियमित रूप से। डायरेक्शंस, fill in the blanks with the appropriate word for the given word options. Question, he dashed 2 wickets before play was interrupted by the rain. The right answer is option A, had taken. He had taken 2 wickets before play. The play was interrupted by the rain. Next question is, fill in the blanks. He is dash European. Right answer is he is a European. E is vowel, but in Hindi pronunciation U, that is not स्वर in Hindi. स्वर नहीं है यू, यो स्वर नहीं है। जो स्वर हिंदी में आएगा उसके पहले अन का प्रयोग होता है, और नहीं हो तो ए का प्रयोग होता है, और का प्रयोग होता है। पता होगा आपको, ऑप्शन ए राइट आंसर हो गया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी सिस्टर्स आर देयर इन इंडिया? स्टेट्स आर देयर इन इंडिया? ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर, 28। Next question, select the options that can be used as one word substitute for the given group of words. A story of an individual written by himself. Right answer is option C. What? Option C is the right answer. Autobiography. Story of an individual written by himself. Autobiography. That means Atmakatha. Okay. Next question. Delhi is the dash of India. Delhi is the capital of India. Option A is the right answer. Next question. Select the most appropriate synonyms of the given word. Transient. Transient. The right answer is option C. Temporary. Temporary. Transient means in Hindi क्षणिक और अल्पकालिक. It also means temporary means क्षणिक और अल्पकालिक. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. It is very difficult for her to dash. The right answer is option A. Keep a secret. It is very difficult for her to keep a secret. Is best expression to keep a secret. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. When the patient recovered, he was discharged from the hospital. Right answer is option B, discharged. Option B, very simple. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. He has been ill. Right answer is he has been ill dash Tuesday. Full question is he has been ill dash Tuesday. The right answer is option E. नन ऑफ द अबव होगा इसका राइट आंसर, क्योंकि ट्यूसडे पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम है इसलिए सिंस का प्रयोग होना चाहिए। यहां पर सिंस नहीं दिया गया, यहां पर सिंस होगा। ही हैज बीन इल सिंस ट्यूसडे। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। पैसेज दिया गया है, देख सकते हैं आप, स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए। सूरज वेव टू ए पैसिंग ट्रेन and kept waving. First question. Only the spiraling smoke remained. He second question. Waving to trains. He wondered. Third question. The people in them and about. Fourth question. They were going and what it. Fifth question. Be like there and when the rain had passed, Suraj was lonely. This is the full passage. Read carefully and a screenshot. Take them. पैसे से पहला प्रश्न। सेलेक्ट द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शन टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक नंबर 1। द राइट आंसर इज अंटिल। ओके, आपके पास स्क्रीनशॉट होगा, आप मिलान कर लीजिएगा। सेलेक्ट द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शन टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक नंबर 2। द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, लाइक्ड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। सेलेक्ट द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शन टू फिल in blank number 3. The right answer is option B, about. Next question. Select the most appropriate options to fill in the blank number 4. The right answer is option C, where. Select the most appropriate options in the blank number 5. The right answer is wood. Option A, wood. Next question. Select the incorrectly spelled muddle is the incorrectly spelled. Correct spelled is MUDDLE. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. In the morning I leave my house dash 8 o'clock. Right answer is, क्या हाँ फिल होगा आप लोग बताइए। इन द मॉर्निंग आई लीव माई हाउस एट 8 o'clock। देख लेते हैं ऑप्शन बी। ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर, 8 o'clock। नेक्स्ट एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन। सेलेक्ट द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड फॉर गिवन ग्रुप्स ऑफ वर्ड। रब आउट राइटिंग। द राइट आंसर इज, what is the mean of rub out writing? That means in हिंदी लिखा हुआ मिटा देना, यानी इरेज कर देना। तो ऑप्शन बी हो जाएगा राइट आंसर इसका। ओके, तो ये हमारे सभी प्रश्न थे। जो लोग चैनल पर आज पहली बार आए थे, सब्सक्राइब करके और शेयर भी कर दीजिए। अब लेकर आएंगे इसी सीरीज का अगला पार्ट, जिसमें हिंदी से रिलेटेड सभी क्वेश्चंस को करेंगे, 100 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस को। अब इस वीडियो को देख के जाइएगा, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रहने वाला आप सभी के लिए। सो बाय, लेट्स मीट इन अनदर वीडियो।